Hello everyone, today we will learn twin prime numbers, co-prime numbers and prime triplet. Okay, so let's start with twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers are known as twin prime number if there is only one composite number between them. Okay, so let's check from 1 to 20 how many twin prime numbers are there. First, circle out all the prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, so 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Prime numbers are the number which have only two factor 1 and itself. Okay, so 11 is also a prime number and 13 is also a prime number. 17 is also a prime number because it has only two factor 1 and 17, and 19 is also a prime number. Okay, now let's check how many twin prime numbers are there. So 2 and 3 is not a twin prime because there is not a composite number between them. Now next is 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 is a twin prime number because there is one composite number between them, which is 4. So our first twin prime number from 1 to 20 is 3 and 5. Okay, now let's check another pair. 5 and 7 is also a twin prime number because there is one composite number between them. So our next pair is 5 and 7. Now 7 and 11 are not a twin prime number because there are three composite number between them. We want only one composite number between them. Okay, now next pair is 11 and 13. 11 and 13 is a twin prime number because there is one composite number between them. So our third pair is 11 and 13. Now 13 and 17 is not a twin prime number because there is three composite number between them. Now next pair 17 and 19, this is a twin prime number because there is only one composite number. Okay, so our fourth pair is 17 and 19. So these all are the twin prime number from 1 to 20. From 1 to 100, the following pairs are the twin prime number. These all are then 29 and 31 because 30 between them, which is a composite number. Now next pair is 41 and 43. Then next pair is 59 and 61. Okay, and our next pair is 71 and 73. Okay, so these all are the twin prime number from 1 to 100. Clear? Now let's come to the co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they do not have a common factor other than 1. Okay, so if two numbers have only 1 as a common factor, then that pair will be a co-prime number. Okay, so let's take some example like 12 and 25. So the factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and the factor of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. So between 12 and 25 only 1 is a common factor between these two numbers, so this is a co-prime number. Okay, so 12 and 25 is a co-prime number. Now let's take another example like 33 and 8. So the factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33, and the factor of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So between these two number also 1 is a common factor, so this is also a co-prime number. Okay, now let's take some example like 2 and 3. So the factor of 2 are 1 and 2, and factor of 3 are 1 and 3. So between them 1 is only a common factor, so this is also a co-prime number. Now let's take another example like 3 and 4. So the factor of 3 are 1 and 3, and the factor of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So between these two number only 1 is a common factor, so this is also a co-prime number, 3 and 4. Okay, now let's take another example 4 and 5. So between 4 and 5, factor of 4 are 1, 2 and 4, and factor of 5 are 1 and 5. So between these two number 1 is a common factor, so this is also a co-prime number. So if you check from any number, any successive number, they are always a prime number. Means any two successive number like 5 and 6, 6 and 7, 7 and 8, 8 and 9, 9 and 10, this always they are the co-prime number. Okay, so we can write down like any two successive number, any two successive numbers are always co-prime number. Okay, you can take any example like 99 and 100, like 100, 1000, 1001. So every two successive number, any two successive number are always co-prime. Clear? Let's check prime triplet. What are prime triplets? A set of three consecutive numbers differing by 2 is called a prime triplet. Okay, so only prime triplet is 3, 5 and 7. Among all the numbers, only prime triplet is 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7. These all three successive prime number are differing by 2, because when we add 3 plus 2 we get 5, when we add 5 plus 2 we get 7. So only triplet, known triplet is 3, 5 and 7. Hope you understood the concept of co-prime number, twin prime number and prime triplet.